Hey book creators, have you seen our Discover library? You can access it from your teacher dashboard by selecting Discover in the menu at the top. You can now search as well as filter books in our library by remixable or read-only, search by grade, and search by subject. This allows you to quickly find the best books for your students that you can then preview and read or remix into a library and then assign to your students. Another amazing update we've made in Discover is the ability to favorite a book. Once you favorite a book, it will be added to your favorite section, which is at the bottom of the page, allowing you to come back to it when you need it. We can't wait to see what you create today with all of our books in Discover.